The Bombers kick off. Tries to settle it. Puts it on goal! Dribbles it up. Goes for the finish. Tucks it away!
What a terrific bit of finishing.
The Lion Cubs will restart the game. Under pressure, sends it back. Moves forward. Tackled off the ball by Luan. Fred frees it up. Drives it at the net. It's gone in!
This game looks promising for them.
The Lion Cubs will restart the game. Settles it. Luan pokes it free. Now the shot. It's in! The Lion Cubs will restart the game. Heads up field. Red frees it up. Traps it. Takes the chance. Punishes the net.
Tremendous shot. I do believe that kid has rockets for legs.
The Lion Cubs restart the game. Passes it off. Brings the ball forward. Luan pokes it free. Puts it on goal! Score!
She has completed the hat trick. Luan is having a career game.
The Lion Cubs will restart the game. Gathers it. Luan pokes it free. Cuts to the goal. Yellow frees it up. Traps it. Red frees it up. Brings the ball forward. Takes one. Rocks the crossbar. And she scores!
What a terrific bit of finishing.
The Lion Cubs will restart the game.
If they didn't love the sport so much, I'd say they might try to let the clock run out. Fine positioning to gain the ball.
Ricky pokes it free. Picks her target. And a score!
What a bullet that was. Truly a remarkable display of power.
The Lion Cubs will restart the game. That's all. And the second half is underway. Luan pokes it free. Moves forward. Here's a chance. It's gone over the line.
What a terrific bit of finishing.
The Lion Cubs restart the game.
If they didn't love the sport so much, I'd say they might try to let the clock run out.
Settles the ball. Takes one. Brings the ball forward. Fred frees it up. Out of play. That'll be. We have goal kick coming up. Tackled off the ball by Stephanie. Blasts it. I'm open. Brings the ball forward. Goes for the finish. Double team. Sends the long ball. It was offside. We have receives it. Pushes into the middle. Redirects the attack. It goes out of play.
He is throwing it in.
Knocked out of play. The Bombers will put it back in play. Maintains the dribble. Tests the goalie. With the sideways pass, settles the ball.
Impressive control.
Takes it.
Quite a rough bit of play.
Luann shoots it. Punishes the net.
The goalie could do nothing to stop that one. What a shot!
The Lion Cubs will restart the game.
Superb tackle.
Ricky pokes it free. Dribbles it up.
Fine control there.